Looking for the best gaming laptops for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 gaming laptops that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a gaming laptops that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended gaming laptops. Number 1 on the list is MSI GE76 Raider. If you're looking for a laptop with desktop-level power, the MSI GE76 Raider is about as close as you'll get, though you may also have to spend a ton of money to get there. Still, with its high-end components like the Intel Core i9 to 12900HK NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, we'd be remiss to point out that the Raider has a large RGB light bar on the front, which, when combined with per-key lighting, makes for quite an effect in the dark, or you can turn it all off if you prefer something a bit less showy. The 17.3-inch 1080p display goes up to 360 Hz, which is great for experts players, but everyone else might want to consider a 1440p or 4K display, depending on available configurations. We tested this laptop at $3,999, which is enough to make you tear up when you check your bank account. That's an awful lot to spend on a laptop. We imagine DDR5 memory partially brings that price up, but it's also the best performer we've seen recently. Second on the list is Razer Blade 15, 2022. Razer has simplified its Blade 15 lineup, removing the advanced and base models, but what's left is still a very good, thin, stylish gaming notebook. The Blade 15 remains a favorite because it has strong performance, with a Core i7 to 127,800H and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti in the model we reviewed, but is just 4.4 pounds and 0.57 inches thick. You still get a variety of ports, like Thunderbolt 4, both USB Type-C and Type-A as well as in South Dakota card reader, so there's plenty of expansion for peripherals and extra storage for games. It would even work great for productivity, though we did find some competing gaming laptops were better in non-gaming benchmarks. To get Razer's premium look and feel, you do have to pay a premium. This notebook starts at $2,499 and we reviewed it at $2,999. It's pricey, but it's also maintained a spot among our favorite gaming notebooks for years for a reason. Number 3 on the list is Acer Nitro 5. The Acer Nitro 5 has long been our favorite gaming laptop for those on a tight budget. The latest model we've tested, with an Intel Core i5 to 12,500H NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti, offers decent performance for the price, as long as you're willing to turn down the settings on some games. Acer has given the Nitro 5 a new, more adult design. It's less angular, and with fewer red accents, doesn't scream as much that it's a gaming notebook. We've seen that aesthetic become popular on expensive notebooks. It's nice to see a toned-down design on a gaming laptop that's $899.99. Don't worry, there's still an RGB backlit keyboard for those that are into that sort of thing. There's a bit of room to upgrade inside too. Acer includes a SATA cable in the box for people who want to open the laptop, and add a 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD. The RAM, NVMe SSD, and Wi-Fi card are all easily accessible too. The big downside for buying on a budget is the amount of bloatware Acer pre-installed on this thing. You may want to spend a bit of time removing some of the extras. Number 4 on the list is Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. If you're a PC gamer on the go, a thin PC like the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 may be up your alley. The Zephyrus uses an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS and an AMD Radeon RX 6800s, as well as the company's proprietary features like Smart Shift to move power between the CPU and GPU, and Smart Access Memory. For the latest update, Asus added a webcam, which was a glaring omission on previous models. The all-AMD model has also moved to a taller 16:10 aspect ratio. On our battery test, the Zephyrus ran for over 10.5 hours, suggesting you could last all day on this notebook when you aren't gaming. It is, however, a bit pricey. The Zephyrus starts at $1,599.99, while we reviewed it with the top-tier specs at $2,499.99. Number 5 on the list is Asus ROG Strix Car 17 G733. If you want to play esports like a professional, you'll want a laptop with the fastest screen you can find. The Asus ROG Strix Car G733 offers a 360Hz refresh rate on its FHD screen and has top-end components to power esports titles to get to frame rates that can actually use it. The design feels premium, but has an interesting mix of dark materials and clear plastic. It's reminiscent of both a hot rod car and a 90s MP3 player, which might turn some people off. But the comfortable keyboard, strong overall performance and bassy audio all contribute to a strong gaming experience, even if you don't like seeing the inside of your laptop. More recently, we tested a 12th gen Intel version of this laptop with the same great design, but a 2560x1440 display with a 240Hz refresh rate. We still like the design, but we found the one we reviewed, with a 12th gen Intel Core i9 and RTX 3070 Ti, to be a bit pricey for what you get in performance. Just now is a list of 5 best gaming laptops that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.